Hi, I am Asif, Senior Nursing Officer, a team member in Heli Ambulance Emergency Medical Services in AIMS Rishikesh, specialized in aerial and high altitude medical services like aerial intubation, IV cannula insertion, CPR, ICD insertion, managing head injury patients, cardiac arrest patients, stroke patients, and cerebral edema patients. Today we receive call from Thierry Garwal, a young male paraglider is fall in the mountain from approximately 15 feet high. Local hospital gives referral to us and then we prepare and checking all the pre-checklists including ventilator checklist, medication checklist, ICD checklist, all the monitors, all the spine board, cervical collar, all the necessary things we have to check according to prepared pre-checklist. For any trauma patient, we perform two types of survey. First is primary survey, which include ABCD. A stand for airway with restriction of cervical spine. B stand for breathing with ventilation. C stand for circulation with hemorrhage control. D stand for disability and E stand for exposure and environment control. And second is secondary survey, which includes head to toe overall systematic examination of the patient. This helps any trauma patient to save a life. If you perform these two types of survey in any patient, then definitely you can save a life. But it should be performed within some period of time. HAMS emergency medical services help us to get to provide treatment in golden hour of injury. It is very important to recognize the duration of injury. As all of you know about the Uttarakhand has two regions. One is Garhwal region, one is Kumaon region. And you know Uttarakhand experiences a significant number of road traffic accidents annually with 1900 deaths each year. The state's trauma care infrastructure is limited, primarily offering basic facilities without advanced tertiary care, which hamper effective treatment for accident victims. AIMS Rishikesh helping the state to provide effective emergency response to the patient. Under the leadership of Dr. Madhuruniyal and Director Dr. Meenu Singh, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS teams involve 13 members, which specialize in different types of courses, including basic life support, advanced cardiac life support, pediatric advanced life support, pre-hospital trauma life support, and high altitude medical course. They can counter any emergency services needed for the patients. Each member have at least of 5 years of experience in different fields, including emergencies, pediatric departments, neonatal department, gynecological departments, medicine departments, and ICUs.
शिवम
The basic part of any serious trauma injury is to apply the maintaining the airway and restriction of cervical spine. So we need to put a hard cervical collar in any trauma patient who had a severe injury. It is also important for any patient you have to apply correct collar with correct technique to prevent any cervical spine injury. So this patient might have a head injury because its GCS is not accurate. Patient is confused and irritable. So we secure one IV line in left hand to give some sedative drug or some anti-epileptic drug during flights.
डायरेक्ट कॉल नहीं हुआ ना पहाड़ में गया
It is very important for any patient of trauma to transfer the patient through spine ball with application of cervical cord because both they prevent the patient spine injury or any serious injury and help the patient to make a normal body alignment, which is very important in every trauma injury. The patient vital show normal saturation of 96% on women, bilateral air entry equal on both the sides, and patient abdomen is soft and non-tender. Patient is moving his hands and legs. There is no pelvic injury, but there is a tenderness in spine and having a GCS E4 V5 M6. Giving oxygen to any trauma patient is very crucial to prevent delayed hypoxia in patients due to the blood loss or any other causes. Now this patient is remove his cannula and we are inserting again the new cannula during the flying time. It is very difficult during high altitude to insert a cannula. As you know, we are flying on a height of approximate 3000 feet from sea level. So due to these pressure changes, we face many problems.
हमारे टाइम नहीं था इतना, वहाँ ना कैमरा लगा रखा था।
तूने कैमरा लगा दिया?
हाँ मैंने तो ऊपर लगाया। 2 3 चलो इसको इसको बंद कर यार, चलो